expand these double brackets. Whenever I'm expanding double brackets, I'm multiplying everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket. And the order that I like to multiply things are, I look at the signs first, so whether they're positive or negative, and then the coefficients, what numbers are the variables being multiplied by, and then the variables themselves. Variables just means the letters, and then the powers finally. So I've got 1 lots of x squared multiplied by 2x. 1 times 2 is 2. X squared times by x. So whenever you're multiplying and you have the same base, you just add the powers. So there's an invisible 1 there. So 2 add 1 is 3. So 2x cubed. Then we've got x squared times 5y. 1 times by 5 is 5. X squared times by y is just going to be x squared y. Next, we need to look at this second term, this negative 9xy. So it's negative times a positive, so negative. 9 times 2 is 18. X times x is x squared. And there's going to be a y at the end. Then we're doing negative 9 times by positive 5, so it's going to be negative 45. X, there's no x there, so there'll be an x here. And there's y times y, which is y squared. Whenever you've done something like this, always just look, can we clean it up a little bit? So I can see that these two terms here have x squared y in them. This has x squared y there, and this has x squared y, so we can combine these two. The coefficient of this one is 5, and the coefficient of this one is minus 18. So 5 take away 18 is negative 13. So finally, we've got 2x cubed. This will combine to make negative 13x squared y, and then we're left with minus 45xy squared. That'd be your final answer.